I have a mystery that I'd like to solve in Hong Kong.
Hong Kong? There was a gas main explosion.
You just keep believing that.
We built this system of satellites to control the weather. But someone's turned the system against us.
They're trying to change the map of the world.
3, 2,
I've got you.
Geo Tormenta, solo en cines.